My name is Courtney of Courthousecouture. I'm a lawyer, but not your lawyer. And yes, I've been practicing law in the state of Texas for 16 years, and we're going to have to talk about the motion for new trial for Karmelo Anthony. This case that has captivated the nation really intrigued people today with bombshell evidence that was suppressed at the trial. This information was suppressed according to quote-unquote gentleman agreements between the prosecutor Bill Werski and Karmelo Anthony's original defense attorney Mike Howard. Now, there was back and forth between the prosecution and Karmelo Anthony's new legal defense team about how problematic it was. All of this character evidence was left out at trial. Lead attorney for Karmelo Anthony's new defense team, Russell Wilson, stated one negative result, the alleged violation of this gentleman agreement, that Karmelo Anthony's punishment hearing, well, it was very short. Only Karmelo's mother said a few mere words in his defense. Now, Bill Werski tried to argue that he only made this agreement for the safety of all parties involved. He stated that there were bad actors who wanted to hurt Karmelo, while Russell Wilson argued that once the agreement was violated, Anthony was forced to not be able to testify in his own defense. He wasn't given the opportunity to say why, in his own words, he used the knife on that fatal day. Russell Wilson went on to say that cross-examination in this case was crippled. Not being able to use character evidence on the Metcalfs was problematic. There were severe, and I do mean severe, racial epithets made by the Metcalf, referencing hate groups, saying unalive all Black people, usage of the N-word, evidence in even 2023 and 2025 of bullying and violence, even using the N-word against the same young man who was friends with Karmelo Anthony and invited him under the tent. And apparently Karmelo Anthony had even seen video of the twins fighting at a basketball game and knew them to be violent. And I'm not even sharing the full list. Now, Bill Werski, the prosecutor, he maintained that even in the midst of this gentleman agreement really benefited Karmelo Anthony. He even said he wanted Karmelo to testify. It's going to be interesting to see how this seasoned judge processes all of this information. The judge only has until Monday to give a ruling because of the deadline that legally exists when you file for a motion for new trial. It's going to be interesting to see how he rules, but you let me know your comments below.